I bet you've never seen farming done like this. This is called flame weeding. It looks like it's roasting this corn, but it's only killing the weeds. More fire! This is a flamethrower drone. It's being used to destroy a hornet's nest. Probably shouldn't fly this one inside the house. Oh, what? It's going through those trees like a hot knife through butter. This machine is seriously impressive though. Imagine the time saved. This machine harvests grain crops and then ties them in bundles. It can do a whole acre in only 1 hour on just 1 litre of diesel. This machine lays drainage pipes directly under the ground. Watch how easy this thing makes it look. Anyone that's had to dig a trench will appreciate how good this is. This machine rips tree stumps out in no time at all, and probably all the limbs off your body if you fell underneath it. These guys are showing a new use for an old car gadget. They're using a car jack to make sure this tree falls in the right place. Check this out. Let's hope this doesn't catch on. I love tree chopping fails.